Hey guys, Randog here. Today we're going to take a look at this Kawasaki Ridge Crew Cab Limited, and it is one beautiful color. Oh, that's nice. Sorry about the noise, I got construction out here. Boy, that is really nice. Take a look at the inside. Power windows. Got the AC. Touchscreen. This one's brand new. Man, that crew cab is the way to go. Speaker system. Well, a lot of room in that glove box. Cup holders. That is sweet. Wow, plenty of room. Grab bar. I like the windows. Limited. Oh, I just like that color. That's different. It's very sharp. Looks like we got the winch. Alright guys, that's all I got. We'll talk to you later.